Ever wondered how a kangaroo baby, or joey, makes it into its mother's pouch? Well, the tale is as fascinating as it is peculiar. In the world of animal births, kangaroos hold a unique position. Unlike most mammals, the kangaroo gives birth to an extremely tiny and underdeveloped joey. This little marsupial then embarks on a remarkable journey, crawling from the birth canal all the way to its mother's pouch. It's quite the adventure for such a tiny creature. It's a remarkable journey, wouldn't you agree? Scene script. Switching gears, let's dive into the ocean and explore the fascinating world of seahorses. In most of the animal kingdom, females are the ones who carry and give birth to offspring. But in the case of seahorses, it's the males who take on this responsibility. Yes, you heard it right. Male seahorses are the ones that get pregnant and give birth. Now, isn't that a twist in the tale? So let's understand how this unusual process works. When a female seahorse is ready to lay her eggs, she deposits them into a special pouch on the male's body. This pouch is similar to a kangaroo's, but it's the male seahorse who carries it. The female can lay anywhere from a few dozen to over 1,000 eggs, depending on the species. Once the eggs are safely inside the male's pouch, he fertilizes them and carries them until they're ready to hatch. This gestation period can last anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, again, depending on the species. The male seahorse's belly swells up, much like a pregnant woman's, as he waits for his offspring to develop. When the time comes, the male seahorse goes into labor. He contracts his muscular pouch, expelling the baby seahorses into the water. Yes, hundreds, sometimes thousands of tiny seahorses are born, each one smaller than a grain of rice. Who knew that in the undersea world, fathers can be the ones to give birth? Now let's take a flight to New Zealand, the home of the extraordinary kiwi bird. Settling in the lush forests and rolling hills of New Zealand, the kiwi bird is a marvel of nature. With a tiny body, large feet, and a long beak, it's a sight to behold. But what truly sets the kiwi apart is its peculiar birth process. You see, the kiwi bird lays an egg that is nearly 20% of its body weight. Imagine a human giving birth to a child the size of a 4-year-old. This is the largest egg-to-body weight ratio of any bird, a feat that seems nearly impossible. How does the kiwi do it, you ask? Well, the female kiwi has an evolved reproductive system with an oversized ovary, allowing her to produce such a large egg. This extraordinary birth process is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of nature. The kiwi bird truly lays a giant egg for its size. For our final stop, let's hop over to the world of amphibians and meet the Suriname toad. This creature is a master of disguise, with a flat, leaf-like body that helps it blend into the muddy river bottoms of South America. But what really sets the Suriname toad apart is its extraordinary method of reproduction. Now, the Suriname toad doesn't do anything as mundane as laying eggs in a nest. Oh no, this toad takes parental commitment to a whole new level. During mating, the female releases eggs, which the male then fertilizes. After this, a truly fascinating spectacle unfolds. The male carefully collects the fertilized eggs and embeds them onto the female's back. This is where the magic happens. The female's skin then grows over these eggs, creating little pockets where the embryos will develop. Yes, you heard right. The Suriname toad carries her babies in pockets of skin on her back. As the embryos mature, they transform into fully formed tiny toads within these pockets. Time passes, the suspense builds, and then finally, the moment arrives. Like a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, tiny toads burst forth from the pockets on the mother's back. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the grand finale of the Suriname toad's unique birth process. The Suriname toad's birth process might make your skin crawl, but it's undoubtedly unique. From kangaroos to seahorses, kiwi birds to Suriname toads, the animal kingdom is full of unique birth processes. In our journey, we've seen fathers that give birth and marveled at the miraculous kiwi bird. We've also uncovered the tenacity of the Suriname toad, a creature that carries its young in its back until they emerge fully formed. These astounding processes truly highlight the diversity and wonder of life on our planet. Next time you see an animal, remember that its birth process might be more intriguing than you ever imagined.